Welcome to 155 Minehead Rd. This cool, updated, contemporary 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with updated luxury vinyl plank flooring and kitchen and bathrooms inside, as well as a fenced backyard. It's located in the established new Friarsgate subdivision in Irmo. It's convenient to I-26. Great dining and shopping in the Harbison and Irmo areas, as well as quick commute to Columbia and Lake Murray as well. So we're out front in the yard. You can see it's an older neighborhood with a lot of mature trees and landscaping. On the right side here you have a driveway coming off of the street, and then a walkway leading up to your front entry. So inside, once we step inside, you notice the luxury vinyl plank flooring. It starts here in the entry, downstairs, continues to the other levels as well. So you can see it's a contemporary style home within sort of an open floor plan main living area with the vaulted ceilings. You have the loft area above the living room, but off the entry you have the living room itself here sort of sunken down, and this area will go down there in a second once we take a look at the kitchen, which is off to our right. So you have an updated kitchen, updated counters, cabinets, as well as stainless steel appliances. There is a dishwasher, above range microwave, smooth top electric range, as well as a side-by-side refrigerator. And you can see it's a nice size in here as well. You have room for eating and dining area. You also have your laundry closet with full-size washer dryer connections and some shelving above. There is a utility closet here with a little bit of storage space, and you also have your water heater housed in there. Side door out to the walk that sort of leads to the backyard. There's also a gate. I'm not sure if you can see that, sort of the chain link fencing that goes to the backyard or comes from the front driveway as well. There's another view of the kitchen. You can see the lighting in here is updated, as well as the sink fixture also. So very nice updates throughout. And then again in the living room, so you have a couple steps down here into the sunken living room. You have a fireplace in here, looks like wood burning. And then you have your doors out to the backyard. So here you have backyard with a patio. It's fenced in. You also have a nice sized storage shed and workshop back there. I believe I did see a light bulb in there, so it's possibly power in there as well, or at least a socket for a light bulb, excuse me. And then under the stairs here you have a nice size storage closet. Just takes advantage of some of that space. And then on the lower level you have your 2 secondary bedrooms and the full bath that they share off of the hall. So you have 1 bedroom facing the rear and 1 facing the front. There's a ceiling fan in here. You can see the closet along the wall there. Again, the flooring continues into here. And then right next door, you have your updated bathrooms, updated vanity, sink, and fixtures. Everything in here. You have a nice shower surround with a shower and tub, and those have kind of like the molded in sort of built-in shelves in the corner. Ceiling fan in the other secondary bedroom as well. So this would be sort of the 3rd bedroom in the home, so we can get some more light in here for you. But a ceiling fan, and also, as you can see, the closet. Then we'll head upstairs. So the upstairs level, of course, houses this loft area. So it's just some nice additional living space, or however you want to use that. It could be sort of some small office space, guest area, however you want to configure that. And then off to the right side here, you have your primary bedroom suite, which is a very nice size. Can accommodate large furniture in here if you need to. You have a ceiling fan. Faces the front and sort of left side of the home if you're facing from the street. And then you have the bathroom area off of here. So you have your updated vanity and sink, and then a closet to your left. There's also another linen closet on this side to give you a better view of that mirror and everything in the bathroom, which is second here. And you also have the separate, your commode and the shower and tub for this room in separate space. And then you can see the updates in the vanity area there. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 155 Minehead Road in Irmo. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.